A wage increase for minimum wage earners in Eastern Visayas takes effect to be implemented in 2 phases. Meanwhile, the Department of Labor and Employment will monitor establishments in the region to ensure compliance with the new wage order. Sol Alarcon from Philippine Information Agency Eastern Visayas has more.
Beginning today, December 2, the wage increase for workers in the private sector in Eastern Visayas takes effect. This is after the approval of the 30 pesos wage increase for minimum wage earners in the region. The wage increase will be implemented in 2 tranches. Attorney Dax Villaruel, Regional Director of the Department of Labor and Employment, Odol Region 8, assured that the agency's inspectors will be monitoring establishments to ensure compliance with the new wage order.
All throughout the year, ay at nililipot po natin ng ating mga inspectors ang mga establishments, including the malalaki at mga maliliit, to determine compliance with first itong minimum wage and also yung occupational safety and health.
Meanwhile, workers in the private sector have varied reactions to the wage increase.
Natutuwa, sobra pa sa tuwa. Kasi nagdagdag. Kasi yung mga empleyado parang itong kagaya sa amin, parang mababa yung sahod, pati yung mga labor eh. Pagkatapos gusto ko na talagang yung minimum, yung taas-taasan naman. Yan ngayon, ang minimum ngayon, yan, okay yan, 30, nakakatulong yan. Sobra pa sa tulong yan.
Ano kasi namin is kulang pa sa income namin dito. Kaya mabuti naman kung ganun, kung i-increase ang kami sa mga katulad namin construction worker.
The wage increase also covers household workers. Currently, the daily minimum wage is 405 pesos, which will increase to 420 pesos today. In total, the minimum wage will reach 435 pesos if the second tranche is implemented in June next year. From the Philippine Information Agency, Eastern Visayas, Sol Alarcon for Balitang Pambansa.